Hey friends, welcome to our channel. Barry from THOR here, bringing you another video in our product overview series. If you're new to THOR or LED wall technology, you've come to the right place. Today we're going to be diving into our Ridge series LED panels and the hardware systems that go with that. As always, if you do have any questions, please leave a comment and we'll be happy to answer that for you. And just in general, if you're interested in learning more about LED walls, from the basic concepts to those more in-depth and technical topics, be sure to follow along, like, subscribe, you know what to do. All right, let's dive in. All right, we're gonna attach the track to the wall. We wanna make sure things are level. Once the track is level, we'll continue to fasten to the wall. Okay, now we install the next track. 19.5. All right, so next we're gonna attach the XYZ mount to the track. So now that we have our XYZ mounts in place, we'll go ahead and get our chassis installed. All right, now that we have this chassis installed, we'll go ahead and attach the next one to the latches below. Make sure everything's lined up, and we'll attach this to our XYZ mount. And next, we're gonna attach our modules. The masks on Ridge are easily replaceable and require no screws. Simply peel it off. Place the next mask on. I like to start with my fingers and then use the rolling tool to finish it out. For replacing the Ridge power data box when in the wall-mounted position, pull the modules off with the module removal tool. Pull the center bar out by loosening the top and bottom Phillips screws. The final step is to reach behind the panel, use the 4 thumb screws to loosen the power data box. And pull out. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions regarding Ridge or other THOR products, drop a comment below or get in touch with us. The link to our website is in the description below. And don't forget, like, subscribe. If you did like this video and you're looking for more like this, hit the notification bell for updates on future videos.